Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 BMW M5, covering everything from its exterior and interior to performance and pricing. Whether you're here for the raw numbers or the luxury details, we've got you covered. Right up front, this latest M5 is no ordinary sedan. For 2026, BMW has taken their high-performance M5 and injected it with plug-in hybrid technology, high-end luxury, and a serious dose of swagger. The starting MSRP in the US is about $125,175 for the standard version. Let's start with the exterior. The body retains the signature aggressive stance of the M variant 5 Series, muscular wheel arches, quad exhaust tips, sporty diffuser, and a bold front kidney grille that now features the available iconic glow illumination. The roof, mirror caps and rear spoiler can all be carbon fiber with the optional M-Carbon exterior package, reducing weight and adding dramatic visual effect. The lighting features are also upgraded. The front headlamps carry the double light signature, and the ambient welcome light carpet under the doors adds premium flair when you approach. On the touring wagon variant, the design is extended but still geared toward high-performance aesthetics while offering added practicality. Overall, the exterior is bold, luxurious, and unmistakably high-end performance. If you're rolling up in one of these, people will know. Moving inside, the interior of the 2026 M5 is a blend of luxury comfort and track-ready functionality. The seats are M multi-function pieces, offering adjustable backrest width, thigh support, and available two-tone merino leather upholstery options such as dark violet/black or taupe/deep lagoon. The steering wheel is the flat-bottom M leather version, with M shift paddles and preset M1/M2 buttons so you can switch between your personalized drive settings in a flash. The driver's cockpit features a richly trimmed center console with red start-stop button, iDrive, and bespoke display animations for the M variant. Rear seat passengers aren't forgotten either. In the touring version you can get 4-zone climate control, USB charging ports and travel comfort systems. But it's not all perfect. Independent reviewers have pointed out that the sheer number of drive mode settings and tech menus can feel overwhelming, especially for someone looking for a simple drive. Also, the added hybrid system has increased weight, which means the cabin sits a little heavier compared to earlier generations, but BMW has worked hard to preserve luxury feel and ride decency. Now for everyone's favorite part, performance. Under the bonnet of the 2026 M5 is a plug-in hybrid powertrain, a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 in combination with an electric motor and an 8-speed automatic transmission, sending power to an all-wheel drive (MX-Drive) system that can be configured, in certain modes, to send power rear-wheel only for that traditional drift flavor. Total system output is rated at 717 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque in many markets. Acceleration is blistering. Independent tests record 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.0 seconds under ideal conditions. The vehicle also offers an EV-only mode with a battery pack giving an estimated 25 to 29 miles of electric range, depending on how you measure. As noted though, the hybrid edition has added more than 1,000 pounds of curb weight compared to its predecessor, which slightly affects agility. On the handling front you get adaptive M suspension, rear-wheel steering, high-end brakes, with optional carbon ceramic, and the wide selection of drive modes, comfort, sport, drift, etc., to shape the character of the car. So, you go from luxurious cruiser to full-on performance machine with the tap of a button. Finally, let's talk price and value. As mentioned, the US starting price for the 2026 M5 is around $125,175. Some sources quote slightly lower starting points, around $120,675, depending on region and options. That price bracket puts it firmly in the super sedan/luxury performance car territory, competing with cars like the Audi RS6 Avant, Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid and other high-end performance saloons and estates. Reviewers point out that while you're paying a premium, you're also getting a car that does double duty, luxury commuter and high-performance track-capable machine. On the flip side, they note that the additional weight from hybrid components and the complexity of the tech may reduce some of the pure feel you might expect from earlier M5 generations. For buyers in markets outside the US, local taxes and import fees can push prices significantly higher, so if you're in Pakistan or nearby markets you'll want to check local availability carefully. To summarize, the 2026 BMW M5 brings together cutting-edge hybrid performance, luxury interior/exterior finishes, and just enough daily usability to make it more than a weekend toy. It's big, bold and brimming with tech and horsepower, though it carries the weight and complexity that comes with modern high-performance hybrid vehicles. If you're tuning into AutoStreet and you're in the market for a performance sedan with luxury credentials and serious street presence, this M5 is hard to ignore. Thanks for watching this deep dive here on AutoStreet. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss our next car review. Drop a comment below. What do you think of the hybrid V8 performance, or would you prefer a pure petrol engine experience? Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more.